All right, folks, have you ever wanted to own an NBA team or an NHL team? Well, here's your chance. This is the Madison Square Garden Sports Corporation, or MSGS for the ticker on the New York Stock Exchange. And this is a company that owns the New York Knicks, along with their G League team, and the New York Rangers of the National Hockey League, along with their AHL affiliate. So this is a really cool opportunity to get two top-level professional sports league teams in one investment, quote-unquote investment. And we're definitely going to be adding these to the Peasant Portfolio. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I am the Peasant Investor, as you might have guessed from the name of the channel. And I had a little money left over after taxes, and I didn't want to try to learn how to invest smartly, so I decided to invest stupidly. And basically what I'm doing is buying things that I find interesting, like sports teams or racehorses or like farming stuff, and just whatever I find interesting, that's what I'm going after. I'm pretending to be a rich person who can just invest in whatever little passion projects I find interesting. So that's what we're doing. And today we're looking at an NBA and NHL team that you can buy all at once. But most of my investments are around $100, maximum $150. So we're going to see if we can purchase a fractional share, not even one full share of this, to add to the Peasant Portfolio. And as always, please people, come on, the name of the channel is Peasant Investor. Don't take financial advice from someone who calls themselves a peasant. This is not financial advice, this is just me having fun. If it sounds interesting to you, do smash that subscribe button and join us on this journey to see how long it takes me to lose all my money. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump over to my brokerage account and see if we can put in a buy order on this stock. All right, here we are with the MSGS. The current price is $189.75, so I'm going to put in a buy order. But obviously, this price is too high for us to buy even one share, considering our normal exposure, let's say, in most of our investments. So we're going to do a fractional investment by going US dollars, and we're going to do 130. That's typically around where I've been with most of my sports team investments. I'm going to put a limit price of 190, just like that. Perfect. Let's submit that buy order and see if we can secure ourselves an NBA and NHL team all in one. All right, so now our buy order has executed. We have 0.6848 of a share of MSGS. The cost basis of our purchase was $130 exactly, and the market value is now up at 130.84. So we're up slightly on our investment. Not bad, not bad at all. And yeah, there you go. If you want to own an NBA team and NHL team, all you have to do is have, like, if you want a full share, you need to have almost $200. But you can buy fractional shares if your broker allows it. And there you go. You can add the NBA and NHL to your portfolio. Super simple. On a side note, take a look at our Man United investment here. It's up $34. That's massive on a $128 investment. The peasant investor is looking wise. Look at him shining in all his returns. Guys, if you're enjoying this, do smash that like button. Jump down in the comments and give me suggestions. I would love to hear some suggestions of things you would like to see going forward. And yeah, as always, do make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along in this kind of nutcase adventure we're on together. And I will see you in the next video, and you have an absolutely amazing day.